A quad bike is a fantastic aid for farm work, as it is designed to cope with a wide variety of terrain types. But if it is operated unsafely, it quickly creates significant risks of death or severe injury to the operator. The underlying causes of accidents include lack of formal training and experience, poor maintenance, poor physical mobility, carrying a passenger, tipping over on a bank, ditch or rut, loss of control on steep slopes, or towing excessive loads. Professional safety training must be undertaken by all quad operators, and children under the age of 16 must not be allowed to ride quads in any workplace. Operators should always wear an approved helmet, and consideration should be given to fitting a CE-approved rollover protection device. Quads should always be operated with care and at a safe speed. Plan the routes you wish to take and be aware of rough terrain, obstructions such as fallen branches, rutting of the ground, and steep slopes. Never carry an unbalanced load or passengers. The seat is designed so that you can transfer your weight to ensure stability of the quad. Excessive speed is a factor in many ATV accidents. This is because speed gives the ATV momentum, and along with its weight, it can easily cause overturning when taking a turn or in rough terrain. If the driver is thrown off the ATV, its weight can cause crushing of the body, particularly the trunk, or striking of the head. It is crucial to control the ATV's speed using the hand-operated throttle mechanism. The weight and speed of a quad bike can cause serious injury and death. Take action to prevent injuries associated with quad bikes